Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to uninstall Cheat Engine on your Windows 11 machine. So this is the Cheat Engine and you might want to uninstall this for various reasons. So what you want to do is go to the Windows button and then go to settings right here. Or you can type out settings right there and the settings icon should come up and you should click on it. And then in here you have to go to the apps and then you have to go to install apps. And in here you can search Cheat Engine and it should come up. We can see there's the cheat engine we have, and if we want to uninstall this we have to click on this three dot option and then we can find the uninstall option there. We have to click on uninstall and we have to click on uninstall again. Then it should prompt you with the uninstall box and you should click yes and the installation should begin. Yes, erase all settings, and yes, that's how you can remove your cheat engine from your Windows machine.